Hello students and very good morning to you all. This is Arvind Rai from LPM Community School which is situated in Gula Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am the subject teacher of Social Studies, and this video is for class 3rd students. Okay, and our chapter name is India, our country. Okay, India, our country. Students, before to this video, we had started our chapter. Okay, that India, our country. We had discussed that what is the location of India, where does it lies, in which continent. Okay, we had also discussed some of the features. Okay, some of the physical features. Physical features means what are the different types of landforms. Okay, what are the different types of landforms which we have in our country. Landform means different types of landforms. ठीक है, जैसे mountains, okay, deserts, plateaus, rivers, plains, hills, coasts, island. So these comes, okay, under same heading, that is landforms. But to differentiate between them, okay, to differentiate between them and to know that what is mountain, what is hill, what is plateau, okay, what is river, what is desert, what is island, what is coastline. So this we categorize them. That is why we categorize them, to understand better that what are the different landforms that we have in our country. Okay. We had discussed earlier also that the Thar is a big desert in northwestern India. Okay, a desert is a dry area that receives almost no rainfall. The Thar is a sand desert. After that, the Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. Okay. Now, after that we had discussed the Deccan Plateau, which is in southern India and is a very old plateau. A plateau is a highland with a flat top. ठीक है, माउंटेन्स की तरफ वो ग्राउंड सरफेस से ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं, लेकिन उनका जो टॉप होता है वो फ्लैट होता है. ठीक है, छत की तरफ से बराबर होता है. इंडिया ऑल्सो हैज 2 आइलैंड ग्रुप्स. ओके, इंडिया ऑल्सो हैज 2 आइलैंड ग्रुप. व्हाट इज आइलैंड? अ लैंड मास which is surrounded by water on all the sides. उसके चारों तरफ पानी रहता है, या लैंड मास या जमीन का वो हिस्सा जो पानी से चारों तरफ से घिरा होता है उसको आइलैंड कहते हैं. सो इंडिया ऑल्सो हैज 2 आइलैंड ग्रुप्स, अंडमान एंड निकोबार इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड लक्षद्वीप इन द अरेबियन सी. ओके, an island is a mass of land surrounded by water on all sides. After that, India has 2 long coastlines along its eastern and western borders. A coastline is the area where the land meets the sea or ocean. So these are the points which we had discussed earlier. Now we will start from natural features. Natural features. Okay, in natural features we will read about what are the different natural features which we have in our country. The landforms found in a place such as mountains, plateaus, deserts, plains and coastlines are called its natural features. India has a rich variety of natural features, including several mountains, plains and many mighty rivers, such as the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Godavari and the Narmada. Okay, here the word mighty means महान. ठीक है, हमारे देश में कई ऐसी महान नदियां हैं, that is Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Godavari and the Narmada. Very few countries in the world have such diversity in natural features. Okay, what is the word diversity means? Diversity means विविधता, ठीक है? Diversity means विविधता, that we have many forms, of landforms as well as many forms of languages, many forms of lifestyles, many forms of fooding habits, okay, many forms of festivals, cultures. So in every aspect we have diversity, and no country in the world, are you getting my point? No country in the world, पूरे विश्व में कोई भी ऐसा देश नहीं है जो भारत की तरह हर चीज में इतनी डाइवर्सिटी लेके और इतने सही तरीके से डेवलपमेंट के ट्रैक पर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. नो कंट्री इज लाइक दैट एज कंपेयर टू इंडिया. नाउ ऑन पेज नंबर 17, one point is given on the top left corner, right values. Okay, the diversity in our country is a unique feature. ठीक है, जो डाइवर्सिटी है हमारे कंट्री में ये एक ऐसा फीचर है जो ये यूनिक फीचर है, ठीक है, बहुत ही खास फीचर है हमारे लिए. Perhaps no other country in the world has such diversity in language, food, culture and religion. ठीक है, और उसी के साथ ही क्या है, पूरे विश्व में कोई ऐसा देश नहीं है जिसमें फूड में, कल्चर में, फेस्टिवल्स में, रिलीजन्स में, लैंड फॉर्म्स में इतनी डाइवर्सिटी हो, ठीक है, इतनी विविधताएं हो, इतने अलग अलग रंग हो, इतने अलग अलग प्रकार हो, ऐसा कोई देश नहीं है पूरे विश्व में. दैट इज वाई आवर कंट्री इज वेरी यूनिक. ठीक है, इसीलिए हमारे देश का जो दर्जा है वो बहुत ही विशेष है. दैट इज वेरी यूनिक इन द होल वर्ल्ड. We should respect and enjoy this diversity and learn more about it. हमें अपने देश की जो डाइवर्सिटी है उसको प्रिजर्व करना चाहिए, उसका रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, एंड वी शुड लर्न मोर अबाउट इट. हमें अपने कल्चर्स, रिलीजन्स एंड एवरी डाइवर्सिटी वी शुड लर्न many things, okay, according to our religion, according to our culture, according to our heritage parts. So it is, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम सीख सकते हैं अपने देश से, अपनी संस्कृति से. ठीक है, so we should learn more and more about it. After that, in land forms we had read that what are the different land forms. कितने तरह के land forms हैं. land forms का मतलब कि हमारे मैदानी क्षेत्र में या हमारे जो फिजिकल पार्ट है उसमें कितने तरह के land forms हैं. So we had all completed these topics. After that, animals and plants. India is home to thousands of varieties of animals, birds, plants and flowers. Look at the pictures shown below. How many of them have you seen? Okay, on page number 17, some of the pictures of animals, plants and flowers species are shown on page number 17, and you can see and recognize that how many of you have seen such type of animals, such type of plants and flowers. First image is of a gibbon. Okay, a gibbon is a monkey type creature. Okay, after that, tigers. Okay, tiger is our national animal. Okay, after that, third image is of rhinoceroses. Okay, rhinoceroses. After that, fourth image is of an elephant. Fifth one is of a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Okay, after that, a bird species is given on image 6th position, that is a Malabar thrush. Okay, after that, Palash or flame of the forest. We have a flower species which name is Palash or flame of the forest. After that, we have Indian laburnum. Indian laburnum, this is a type of plant species which we have in our country. Apart from this, इन सब के अलावा हमारे इंडिया में और भी कई सारी विविधताएं हैं. ठीक है, We have many categories in animals, flowers and plants. So these are the some topics, okay, we will complete in this chapter. After that, on page number 70 we are going to read about people of India. Okay, people of India. People of India. India is a vast country with many people living in it. These people form the population of the country. India has the second largest population in the world. Okay, what is population called? The numbers of people, okay, the numbers of people living in a country, they are called the population of that country. एक देश में जितने लोग रहते हैं, जितनी उनकी संख्या है, when we count them, each and every person from child to an adult, ठीक है, एक बच्चे से लेके एडल्ट जिसको हम व्यस्क कह सकते हैं या वी कैन से बुजुर्ग तक, एन ओल्ड मैन. सो वी काउंट ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन. आफ्टर दैट वी से देम, वी डिटरमाइन देम एज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कंट्री. ठीक है. इंडिया हैज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. इंडिया हैज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. इंडिया की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो पूरे विश्व में सेकेंड पॉइंट पे है. पीपल इन इंडिया स्पीक अ वैरायटी ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस. They eat many kinds of food and also wear different kinds of clothes. People belonging to many religious faiths live in India. ठीक है. हमारे देश में जो हमारे पूरे विश्व की जो सेकंड नंबर पे हमारी पॉपुलेशन आती है, सो वी हैव many different languages to speak, okay, many different food items to eat in every region of the country, every part of the country we have different food items. After that, different clothings manner, okay, हम अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं अलग अलग राज्यों में. हमारी जो संस्कृति है, हमारा जैसा क्लाइमेट है, उसके हिसाब से हम कपड़े पहनते हैं. अपने क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से, जिस रीजन का जो क्लाइमेट है उसके हिसाब से हम भोजन खाते हैं विद वेराइटीज ऑफ क्रॉप्स दैट आर ग्रोन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर क्लाइमेट, देयर पर्टिकुलर क्लाइमेट. ठीक है. हम अपने रिलीजियस फेथ्स के हिसाब से, धार्मिक मान्यताओं के आधार पर हम अलग अलग हिस्सों में अलग अलग त्यौहार मनाते हैं. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, इस पॉइंट्स के अलावा हम क्या हैं, एक हैं. वी आर वन व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द नेशन. ओके. सो ऑन पेज नंबर 18 इट इज गिवन सम रिलीजियस प्लेसेस ऑफ डिफरेंट religions. Okay. Temple is there, mosque is there, church is there, okay, Gurudwara is there. So you are going to see the different images of religious monuments on page number 18 and different types of people wearing different clothes and some different dishes, okay, for fooding. So this you are going to revise and we are going to cover up some new topics in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself, join online classes and complete your work. Thank you so much.